Hello everyone. Now start off by drawing a boot. That is the wrong way to do so. So first start off by drawing a tick shape and then join the tick shape to the bottom. At the bottom make a very narrow thin heel. Color the bottom and there you have it. Now we will be learning how to make a rose. Start off by drawing a 7 and then swirl the top. Add 2 heart shapes on either side and then draw an ovular shape at the bottom. Add some grass to the sides and then draw the stem. Add the leaves as well and then draw the detailing of the leaves. Don't forget to add in the thorns. Color it in any color that you like. Now start off by drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the paper. Out of 1 we have made a rat, out of 2 we will be making a swan. Now join the other side of the 3 and then you will make a small little worm. Add small little dots on the body of the worm as well along with some hair. Join the other portions of the 4 and then you have a fish. As for the 5 you have made a chicken. Add the top, add the beak and then the back of the rooster as well. Don't forget to add the legs. Taking the 6, add 2 layers to it and then add a tail and then it will become a snake. Now, we will be starting off by drawing a 2. After this, add a line that joins the top to it. Add a beak to it and then connect the 2 at the bottom and then you'll make the wing. Make a small branch underneath it as such. Make the branch thicker and then add the small details such as the legs. Taking a crayon, make multiple swirls on it. Now at the top of the head of a bird. Using any other marker, draw the beak as well as the eyes and then draw the long legs of this flamingo. Add some water all around it and then add grass as well. Now, start off by drawing the bark of a tree on either side of the paper. Draw 6 of these barks and then taking different crayons, starting off with yellow, make multiple spots on one of the sides. For the second one, make random squiggly lines. For the third, make swirls. For the fourth, make connections. Do different patterns for different ones of them. Start off by taking a green or a blue marker and then add these tree-like structures to it starting from the bottom of a paper. Now take a yellow marker and then add it as the branches of the leaves all over by making multiple dots to it. At the top, make an oval shape out of it and then add black lines to it to symbolize that it is a bee. Add the wings to it using a blue marker as such. Don't forget to add the grass at the bottom. Now start off by drawing 6 clouds as such. Add a bottom to it and then it should look like this kind of flower. To the second one, we will be making it look like a muffin. Add sprinkles at the top of this muffin. For the third, add a waffle cone to it and then you have yourself an ice cream. Add some thunderbolts to the fourth one. Color it in as you please. As for the fifth, make it look like a tree by adding the bark of a tree. As for the last one, make it look like a beer mug. Draw 6 circles on a sheet of paper. For the first one, make it look like a tomato. Draw multiple swirly lines on the second, color it in different shades of green, and you have yourself a watermelon. Now, coming to the third one, draw multiple check shapes on it and then add some grass at the top. Color it in yellow and green, and you have yourself a pineapple. For the fourth, make it look like a strawberry, and then for the fifth, add a green center and make it look like a kiwi. Now start off by drawing an almost V shape on a sheet of paper. Make this the roof of a house and then draw the bottom of the house as well. Add in the door as well as 2 windows to it. Make a line at the bottom to symbolize the ground and make a small little pathway. At the back, add a tree, add a chimney to this house and then color it in as you please. Don't forget to add the small details like the grass in the sun. Add multiple different kinds of branches on a sheet of paper. Draw these on. Color them in different colors and then make it all look like different sorts of trees. We have used different colors also in order to do so. Make it as creative as possible. Thank you for watching.